Hey guys, it's me, Jazz, and today my brother Q and his dog will be doing tricks. Come on, Q.
But this is the funny trick, okay? Oh no! Oh, it looks like. Come on.
Q.
Yes. Chloe.
The dog.
Can I pick you up, Chloe? Jazz, Jazz, I'll hold the camera. You do it.
Okay, wait. Okay, hold the camera. Look at her.
Okay.
Guys, this is our new dog. This is our new dog.
I know you can open doors.
Pick her up. Pick her up.
Wait, watch. And she can dance.
Yeah, she can do the mango tango. It is party. Yeah! Yeah, dance party. We're just watching some old Christmas
Hey,
videos.
Q, this is not one of your videos. This is one of mine.
Okay.
Guys, this is our new dog.
And y'all are just gonna watch this doggy. And here's our room.
Our new house.
Here's Q. Say hi, Q. And you.
Damn, huh?
Q. Still than me. Okay. This is my sister Jazz. Okay,
If
this
I
is
don't
our
look good,
dog.
please tell me.
Shout out
to Chloe.
Say hi, Chloe. Say hi. Say hi. Chloe. Hey, play with her, Q. Play with her. This is Q's bed, and there's all. Here's the box we got. Here's the other box.
Jess, can you pick her up?
Here's my chair. Here's the
I'll
TV.
just hold it. Hold the. Oh, put the camera right here.
Why?
Just put it right here.
I'm not in the
Pick her
mood.
up
I'm
and
showing them around. Here's my bed. And yes, it's a unicorn. And yes, that is Nella tonight.
She watched Nick's video. She watched.
And this is a piece of cheese. And to prove it,